Addition and subtraction word problems. In this nugget, we will be learning to solve word problems with addition and subtraction. When solving a word problem, we need to read the problem carefully. In a cricket match, the score was India equals 174 runs and Bangladesh equals 127 runs. How many runs did they score in total? Try to imagine the problem. If it helps, draw it out as a bar model. So here we think about the key information. India has 174 and Bangladesh has 127. Then we decide what operation we need to use. So we're looking for this. The question asks how many runs in total. Here, that means to add the runs together, so we know to do an addition. 7 plus 4 equals 11. We put the 1 in the ones column and exchange the 1 to the tens. 7 plus 2 plus 1 equals 10, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. There are 301 runs. This is a word problem, so we need to read the problem carefully. India then played against New Zealand. The score was India equals 136 runs and New Zealand equals 263 runs. What was the difference in their scores? Next, we try to imagine the problem. India has 136 runs and New Zealand 263 runs. Then we decide the operation. The difference is the number of runs they are apart. That's a subtraction. 263 subtract 136. 3 subtract 6. We can't do that, so we have to exchange from the tens column. We cross out the 6 and write a 5. And then it becomes 13 subtract 6, which equals 7. 5 subtract 3 equals 2. 2 subtract 1 equals 1. There are 127 runs. Remember, read the question, visualize the problem, and decide the operation. Finally, complete the calculation using the column method.